everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this spider that I made for my Halloween blanket. For the materials list and the written pattern, click the link below in the description box, or you can scroll down if you're already on my blog. So to begin, we are going to start with a magic ring, chain 1, and make 3 half double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to make 3 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3. We're going to continue to work into the ring. Now we're going to do 6 half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to squeeze 3 more half double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and pull that little tail end tight, as tight as you can. You want to make sure to close up that hole in the middle, and then join to the first half double crochet you made. And before fastening off, we are going to chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And go ahead and leave a bit of a tail because we're going to have to sew these legs on. Okay, so there's our spider body and the first leg. Now we're going to make the second leg right next to the leg that we just did. So attach your yarn right next to that first leg and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're just going to leave a tail every time to sew on. Now we're going to skip a stitch, and then in the next one we're going to do the third leg. This will be 5 chains too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fourth leg on the side will be right next to the last leg we just did here, and that will be 9 chains. So here we have half of our legs on this side, and we're going to skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, attach to that third stitch over. This is going to be 9 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to attach to right next to that last leg. This is going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, attach to the next stitch. We're going to do 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the last leg, we are going to attach right next to our last leg, and that will be 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after you've made all the spider legs, you are going to want to clean up some ends and use those tail ends to sew your spider onto whatever piece of crochet you are sewing him onto. For reference, go ahead and look at that photo in the beginning of the video on where to place your legs to sew them on. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoy crochet tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.